Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking Under Quarantine. This is a special drink edition. And we're doing this today because this is the first taste we've had of summer. It's Friday and it's about going to be 80 degrees today. And I figured what a better way to celebrate the first, Memorial Day weekend, Friday, and we're in quarantine, but we want to still feel like we're out having fun, a Blue Hawaiian. So this is a different mix than what you normally get on a Blue Hawaiian. I added a few different things here, and I'll explain each one as we go, but it's a very simple recipe to follow. It's almost equal parts everything, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how we make it. I'm gonna get some ice in the cup first. And I use a small shaker for single drinks. As we make different drinks, we make bigger ones, but I like about 4 cubes in here. And I'm going to fill the glass about 3/4 of the way with ice. I'm going to top it off with the drink and the ice cubes that are in here. So this is a pretty easy recipe. The most common recipe, and this was developed by a guy in Hawaii years ago. And a guy walked in the bar and said, "Hey, make me a drink. I want a fruity blue drink." So the guy created this in Waikiki Beach, and ever since then there's been different variations of it. This is my variation, and the only thing I'm going to add differently is we have a couple different things here. We have a white rum, a vodka, a blue curacao. Don't actually need that. Well, and we have a sour mix, and we have pineapple. So the sour mix is homemade. So all that is equal parts lemon, lime, and sugar water, right? So this is the sugar water we use. So basically you take 1 lemon, 1 lime, put it in there, and then use equal parts sugar water, and that's homemade sour mix. Pineapple juice, freshly squeezed in if you have it. If not, the canned one's fine. I add Malibu because I want a little bit of that coconut flavor in there. So here's how we go. It's almost equal parts everything. So 1 shot white rum. 1 shot Malibu. 1 shot vodka. Today we're using Kettle One. I prefer Kettle One. Costs a couple bucks more, but it's worth it not to have a headache the next day. 1 shot blue curacao. Basically, this is just an orange liquor. It's triple sec with blue tint. 1 pot sour mix. You can buy sour mix, but it's better to make your own. It really is. Just has a fresh flavor. And obviously, if we can do fresh pineapple, we're gonna do 2 parts pineapple. 1, 2. That is it. Well, you just think a really good shake, almost to the point where you get a little bit of frost on the cup. Some people really like that froth. Put a little froth in there. You would garnish this with a maraschino cherry and pineapple, which I think I'm prepared. Let you guys take a look at that. Now tell me, look at that. It's really almost like an electric blue. You can really see almost looks like a lava lamp inside there with everything going on. These are dangerous. These are dangerous. You really get that pineapple and that hint of coconut through the Malibu. The vodka and rum don't really have much of a flavor. But normally we put a little pineapple here and drop a cherry in there. And what a presentation. You bring these out to a little get together with your friends over, and you get 5 of these before you know you were buzzed. You're sitting down just drinking, and all of a sudden you go, oh. Anyways, special drink edition. I hope you guys like it. This is how I make a blue Hawaiian. Anyways, my family, yours, enjoy this crazy quarantine. Stay safe. And I'll see you at the next one.